Hello, welcome to my channel House of Leo. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really simple I-cord, which can be so handy for creating pulls on bags or straps even. It's a really useful one to have in your crochet repertoire, so I shall show you how to make that now. So we're going to do a simple slip knot onto our hook. And then we're going to chain, keeping it reasonably loose, just chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Going back into the second chain, pull up a loop. So you're going to have 2 loops on your hook. Go into the first chain, pull up a loop, and you now have 3 loops on your hook and your starting chain. You now simply pull your hook out of the first 2 loops, going slow and steady, because if you pull too hard they will disappear. Go back through your first one, leaving that loop on your hook. Go through your next loop gently, don't pull too hard. So you now have 2 loops on your hook again. Go back through your first one and pull that through, and you're back to having 3 loops on your hook. So you just repeat this over and over through your first one, back through your second, pull a loop through. As you can see, as I've pulled a little bit, so it's starting to pull through, but you can get it back. 3 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. And because you're taking these 2 loops off and starting with your first loop, you're actually pulling the crochet around into a circle as you go. Oopsie, I've nearly lost that one. And that's what creates this tube effect, so it's the same all the way around. I find if I pinch it there, that holds the stitches steady. 1, 2, 3. It's easier to do once you've got a length to hold on to with your fingers. Again, 1, 2, 3. And you can make that as long as you need. You can braid them together, so you can make 3 of them, braid them to make a nice chunky band, or like I said, threaded through the waistband of a bag or the waistband of something you've made as a tie cord. They're really nice. They are still stretchy, but they do make good bag straps or anything you may need a long length for. I'll do that one more time. Just a really handy one to know. I know I use this one quite a lot, so it's definitely a useful one to know. So I hope that was helpful to you. I'll see you again soon for my next tutorial.